Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the ways to change the event organizer on Eventbrite. Now, in order to change the event organizer on Eventbrite, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go ahead and log into your Eventbrite account. And when you're logged into your account, you could go to the event section from the left hand side bar. And when you do that, it's gonna take you to this page where you can see your event or your mentioned event. So here, go ahead and press the three dot icon, and after that you could go ahead and click on the edit button. When you do that, it's going to take you to a next page where you can go ahead and make changes with your event and all sort of things. So over here, from the left hand side bar, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go to the section that says manage attendees. When you press on it, it's going to show you this sort of interface, and here you can go ahead and click on email to attendees. When you do this, now enter in the email address of the particular person who you want to set up as a reminder. Then you could go ahead and enter in the details of the following information. Then when you do that, you'll be able to set a reminder on your following event. So just go ahead and type in the name or an email address. You could go ahead and enter in the specific attendees, and then you have to go ahead and enter in the message as from the host. You could go ahead and enter in the email to the following person who you wish to go ahead and set it up as, and the following date as well. Make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click the save button. After you've done that, the email is going to be sent to the following user who you have actually set up as a specific reminder on the following event. And that is how you can set up event reminder on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.